Guys, we've been waiting for this special package. I'm nervous, bro. Should I pop it?
Pop it.
Say hi. He's a basketball player for the Raptors. Oh, we got into the whole Raptors team now. That's the goal, you know? Nuts, bro. This is crazy. Look at the interior. It's a full tub, bro. How crazy is this? If I build one, it has to be a convertible, 100%. Green is my color right now, bro. It's that money green, you know? Money green. This is crazy, bro. Guys, we've been waiting for this special package, one of 4 pieces, for a very, very long time. It is the wheels that we designed for the F80. You guys seen the build throughout the process. You guys haven't seen the finished product yet. Obviously, we've been holding it off because we've been waiting for this, even though the car is finished for almost, what, 2 months now? So we're gonna walk you through this very exciting moment. We'll show you why we designed it this way, and hopefully we get some customers out of this because everything is business at the end of the day. Let's do it. Let's do it. Should I sit? Oh my, I can see the finish of the barrel right now, bro. It looks crazy. I'm nervous, bro. Should I pop it?
Pop it.
Oh my God, bro. Oh my God. Come on, look at that, bro. Wow. Take a look at that with the M logo. Absolutely bonkers, bro. Come on, we did the triple gloss lips, Euro style step lip, gold style BBS hardware, brush faces. We did the floating cap, of course, with the Art in Motion signature logo. We did carbon inners, red outers. This is one of my favorite designs that came out in the past couple wheels for the M series cars. It is the G80 M3 competition wheel that we made into a 3-piece design. Again, we do things for our own taste. But at the same time, we want to get clients out of it. So it's the first wheel I think that's out there that's done like this, where a factory BMW OEM spec wheel has been turned into a 3-piece wheel. And I think this is gonna go crazy online, bro. There's a part in here that I want to show you. I don't know if you can see it right here at the bottom. What does that say, boss?
It says built for Art in Motion.
Yeah, but you didn't read the rest.
Ethan and Joshua.
Dope, right? Should we go take this and go show the boys downstairs?
Yeah.
Check it out, buddy.
Yo.
Take a look at that, bro.
No way.
Spin it, spin it, spin it.
Got the big boy shoes.
Big boy shoes, finally, bro.
Oh.
These wheels actually look massive, like just without a tire on it. Trying to get this quick, get it out. Say hi. He's a basketball player for the Raptors. He was watching hockey last night.
Oh yeah, we went to the game.
Oh, did you? It was a crazy game, bro. I thought the wifey was coming to get live reaction for her. Crazy, eh? The panda look, it just
She was so ready for it, man. She hyped.
it was like the perfect look because she didn't want to go away from white. So the two-tone was like perfect. The blacked out tints, all the reflectors we blocked out, because remember it's orange. The tints are obviously presidential. That's what it looks like a mirror. You can barely even see it.
Right.
PPF this, bro, the PPF looks better than the factory
I was
paint.
about to say.
Look at the factory paint. Orange feel, look at the PPF.
Yeah, it's clear.
Clear, bro, clear. So there's a new mode that I want to put on your phone, like a color. It's actually the best color. So this one here, it goes from purple, blue, green to white.
Oh.
It's like a lavender color, but it matches really nice to your interior. It has a blue tint, purple tint with a bit of green. There wasn't an interior PPF kit, so they only had it for screens that we made. This one actually had it now.
I was about to say.
Yeah, so we did it. It's pre-cut though, so yeah. So now we ceramic coated yours. That's the only problem. I could try.
Okay.
I don't know if it's gonna stick, but now they have the kit.
They had the kids out.
Yeah, but it's pre-cut, right? So
Oh,
and their
sure.
pre-cut is still very new, so you'll see some areas that have like
for sure. But at least
a
it has it on
circle.
there.
Yeah, at least most of it's covered, right? Tough, right? It's light, but sorry, it's dark, but it's light enough at the same time.
It's
Light
light enough
came
that
on
you
again.
don't even know that it's covered like that.
Yeah, but see with the lights on, now you still see it.
Exactly, easily.
Yeah, because that's the one thing that you don't want to get hassled by police. It's so shiny. Like, you know, back in the days, taillight tint was so like orange peely. Like, you know how your paint was on the other side? So you would see it.
Flashes right through.
Yeah, and like the baller way of doing it was always taking the taillights out, putting a little bit of black and clear coat and painting them. That was like the baller way of doing it, but no one had money to really do that back in the days. But now PPF, like this is crazy, bro. Look at that, this looks better than the factory finish.
Sure.
Fire. You know how we do it, man.
Oh,
Come
hey,
on.
let's get it,
Come
man.
on, bro. We got to do the whole Raptors team now. That's the goal, you know? Oh, we got to do the signing for the... I seen the jersey because we were ceramic con. Like, I think he put this one in here for us. In frames, I was going to hang it off. The frames are dope, yeah, but like I feel like, because then you don't see the front, you only see the back after when you frame it. Like Ochas I have hanging up in a bag, because I didn't know what I'm doing with it yet. I don't know if I'm gonna be framing it or hanging it.
Yeah, you probably sound right here.
Yeah, I think it was probably around that, yeah. We're gonna get the whole team, that's the plan. Right? Scotty, we got a bunch of people, man.
The art motion.
Yeah, it's Art of Motion, yeah. Beautiful. My guy. Appreciate you,
bro.
man. Always
Appreciate
love,
you,
bro.
man.
Don't worry, we got a lot more cooking up, right? Then we do all the kids' cars. Before you know it, they'll be grown.
Exactly. For sure, bro.
Thank you, bro.
3 of them now.
Yeah, you got 3. I don't know how you do it. I got 2 and I'm going crazy.
Best in the business. You already know what it is. I'm about to go pick up my son at your age, man.
Let's see. Oh, jeez. Look at you. You gonna join him on the team or what? Holy moly. Look at that. All right, my brother, you are good to go. What's up, Bruno? Long time, brother.
Albert.
How's it going? Life's good? Yeah, fuck it.
That was your red one, right?
It's the red one, yeah. It's dirty right now, but
Raptor up.
But yeah, bro. So what are we doing with this? So maintenance. When'd you pull it out? Like a week ago?
Oh, today, right now. Literally right now.
Brake dust that came off already?
Because I didn't wash it last year.
You parked here without washing it?
Yeah.
Holy
Yeah.
Before putting any brush to it.
Do what you got.
Because you know when especially on the paint, it sits
I
and
know.
bakes in.
I usually do wash it right before starting, and this
Yeah,
time I didn't, but it's she's fine.
It's bad. That's why I'm like, how long have you been driving it? So it looks
No,
like
I
a week's
haven't.
worth of driving at least. All right, so the Mozzie, quick update on this. Pretty much almost like 75% done, I think. Color is absolutely crazy. I love chalk gray. So this was the exact color I had in my 911. This customer wanted it to be somewhere close to the white, and this was a perfect color. He was looking at Nardo gray as well, but I think this color looked way better, to be honest. So stay tuned for this one. We actually have wheels, and we have lowering links that we're gonna be putting on it as well. Stance it out and just make the car look a lot more beefy. And then a couple small pieces that we're putting back on that are gonna be painted in gloss black. The trims already went in body color on this. What else did we do body color?
Yeah.
And, oh yeah, we left the roof rails. But yeah, the wheels are gonna be gloss black. We're doing 22s on it. Just the emblem here and the fender pieces and the back Maserati emblem and 2 side badges on the quarter panel. Oh yeah. So those are going in black too. Honestly, I think at first he wanted to go all chalk, but now that it had a little bit of gloss here and there, he liked the way it looked. So he's like, yo, let's just keep it that way. This is gonna be a little bit of a pain in the ass to take out, but we're gonna figure it out.
I really need the world. I get tired now.
You get tired, you want to go to sleep?
Don't do that, it's not fair. Open the back. Oh,
This guy's ready to work.
what is that? This plastic. Can you check, please?
Come on.
Glow.
Holy this spec is dirty, bro. See, he has a Heritage interior. This is what I want to do with the new one. See, the sick part is with these ones, you can still do, they have the back seat option. Like this one doesn't have it, but they have the option with the back seat, so you can still put the kids in the back. That's why I want the touring. Of course I do. You're gonna tell me when the allocation is filling in. This is for you? I parked right over there. I didn't know where to park it. I didn't know where to park it, so today's gonna be just our
You know
night.
what?
I was
It's
thinking
late.
tomorrow if you guys are doing during the day because we have a wedding in the evening. You think I could pop by with the kid?
Yeah. Of course. If you want to come into the cars, 100%.
Nuts, bro. This is crazy. 100% we have to. The only thing is, they'll demolish
will be
it.
off.
The wing will break, the wheels will break. The carpet is happening 100% for the shop because it's one thing I wanted from time. News for the washroom, bro. Super hard, right? How much are these?
40.
40? You know I'm a Honda guy, come on. Flush style one or this? I think this looks better, no? The goodie bag for the plate wall, the skateboard wall that we still haven't put up. Come on, bro. OG Honda. And I got the yellow, the hoodie with the actual build, the new build. Crazy, bro. With the yellow, yeah, with the yellow and black, like, bruh. Holy shit,
You could eat
bro.
dinner out of it.
Oh my god.
355.
Bro, what?
Yeah, it's the heavenly kit, so it's ultra
Yeah,
wide.
it's even wider. Yeah,
88 inches.
Indigent was telling me. That is crazy,
Nuts,
bro.
Yeah, you gotta see it. The interior is insane.
Bro,
Everything's bespoke on this thing.
because you have the red one, and this is yours too?
No,
Oh,
this
is
is Billy's.
Okay.
My cousin right behind you, he built Top Gun, which was built yesterday.
Oh, yes. That was at, what shop was that called?
T1.
again? Yes.
So that's the sixth one in our family.
Oh my gosh. Look at the interior. It's a full tub, bro. How easy is this? The color is crazy on this. Oh my god, bro, they all look crazy. This one is just absolutely bonkers. With the carbon inner, and then this face on top. Bro, it's a full carbon barrel. It's a two-piece, but the face went right on top of it. Like, that's insane. I never seen this brand before, and it's made in Canada.
Really?
Yeah, look, it says made in Canada. The amount of downforce this probably has is insane. If I build one, it has to be a convertible, 100%. Bro, the way that convertible looks, but you see how that one has the duckbill style spoiler instead of this? I still fuck with this one. Like the red, bro, that's my favorite one so far. It's like all sticker bombed.
Do you think the customer puts it on?
Yeah, he did that after, 100%. Bro, everyone has their own taste, remember, right? Like, he'll build it according to, like...
It reminds me of a skateboard like this.
Yeah, it's like you put it on the bottom of your skateboard, like your backpack, your suitcase. The color combo with the wheel and the paint, nuts. That's what I want to do with the .2 RS. I thought about doing the champagne, but that's why I just did like the light highlights with the gold. Signing. So I'll grab the stuff to get the signatures, but... Hey, good to see you, bro.
Thanks for coming.
No problem. Yeah, so nasty, bro.
I like the part that goes over the wheel. Like the fin, I don't know what you call it.
It's just like a flare, right?
Yeah, it's super nice.
He has the full like crazy like OLED like tail light kind of thing. When he turns it on, it's so crazy because it makes it look like the new one, but it's a classic, you know? I love it. You know me with the red. Yeah. I haven't seen this one. The Top Gun one?
Yeah.
This is the 996. Yeah. I think he just did this. So they sanded it so they can put that and then they're gonna re-clear it. That one's, you see the green one?
I saw that one instantly. It was like,
Yeah.
this is the one you-
Yeah.
I see, I thought you just because the green. That's your color right now.
The green is my color right now, bro. It's that money green, you know? Money green. Bro, this one is like crazy. When I saw this one last year when we came for the season opener, it's like more of that army tone, but it's still like, you know?
I was gonna say the red.
The yellow one is absolutely insane, but the red has always been my favorite one.
Yeah.
Like Adam's, like his build was insane. Like with incorporating like new modern style with the LEDs and like, bro, his build is like, and it's red, bro.
Yeah.
But like that build is done to like, that's like a full-on build, just like the yellow one. This is crazy, bro.
850.
815.
Now it's official, bro. Cheese! That is crazy.
Piece to have in your house now.
Yeah, bro, 100%. This is going in office. It's going in my office with the all green.
Build a skateboard wall.
I have to. There's so many skateboards. I think we have 6, right? In total now? CJ, he made 4. Javier got it for my birthday. He made the Art of Motion one. This. I feel like I got one from the last one, from that black build from Waterloo. I can't even wear this now.
We could do a
Oh,
little
fuck.
3 and 3.
Yes. Can you think you would do that or no? You want to ask Amanda? Ask Amanda.
No.
Ask Amanda. Trust me. Go. Nah, this is sick, bro. I can't even wear this now. What do? I want to wear one.
Buy another one.
And then keep this one?
We'll frame it.
Frame this one? I should have framed the shirt.
We just will line up. We'll swap. Go get something else.
Get a t-shirt and get a sign and frame it? Guys, this was absolutely crazy. I hope you guys loved all the content. You know how we always do things. We do things differently and we try to give you as much as we can every single time we put out these vlogs. And today was an absolutely special moment to meet the king of all these RWBs. And I'm telling you guys, we got a lot more stuff cooking up. Make sure you guys keep liking, keep subscribing. And I'm telling you guys, we're gonna keep crushing it. Let's get it, baby.